Hey everybody, how's it going? So today I picked up a few items from Home Depot. This is a small little tool haul and accessory haul. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. There's a couple Husky items and a couple Milwaukee items. Thank you guys for watching. What is up everybody, how's it going? So happy 4th of July or Independence Day. Today is July 4th, 2021. It is Sunday. I'm sure you guys will see this probably 7 months from now, but you know, because I've got lots of videos coming out, and I schedule videos in consecutive order of when they're recorded. So this video will be uploaded after the other, probably, I think it's like 100 something videos I have scheduled already. 100 plus, I think it's like 140 that I've scheduled right now. So it's going to be seen somewhere in November, December time. But, you know, it's the thought that counts. So before we get started, please like, comment, subscribe, and smush the bell notification icon. So I love this Husky system. I've never actually picked up any extras of these guys. There's two of them here. This is just the single 22-inch Connect organizer. It connects to the Husky system. You know, you can lock these in. I've never had any of these hinges break over weight. I've put in the set of boxes I have sitting over there connected to each other right now, I have somewhere in the range of, I think it's like 600 pounds or more in them. I have a bunch of these in the cantilever system that actually folds open. I have two in the cantilever system under this toolbox that I leave there that has one box of screws and you know, woodworking stuff or hardware, and then the other one is the bolts and washers and stuff like that. But here's a bunch of those boxes. What I mean by cantilever is this box right here. So it cantilevers open. It's a 22-inch. This is 22-inch Connect cantilever organizer. So I have two of them sitting right here. This is the old style Husky cantilever, which actually has the old style hinges. They haven't made this in a very long time. This one, it does not connect to this system. This is just a regular box. It says 22-inch cantilever professional organizer, where this one says 22-inch Connect cantilever organizer. So this one is the Connect style. It actually connects, and you can lock it in. These hinges right here, lock it in to this case. So the organizer on the workbench is this one right here. It has its own handle. Most of these don't have a handle. The handle is actually on top. So this is the handle right here. So this right here is the handle. But so I picked up two more of this one right here that has the handle, because I want to put I want to separate my power washer brass accessories as well as my air tool accessories. So here's a couple air tools right here. But I have a bunch of fittings for air tools sitting right there. Want to put them in organized into a box. This is actually the channel lock 22-inch cantilever organizer. See, looks exactly like the Husky. Wonder who made the Husky, or who made the cantilever. I'm pretty sure that what's the name? Starts with a K. Karuk or something like that. I'm pretty sure that brand is the one that made both of these boxes. You can find them at Walmart. I can't remember the name at the moment. It starts with a K. You guys know, put it down in the comments. But I have a bunch of these. I actually have another like 5 or 10 of these boxes out in the barn as well. I really like them. Excuse the mess of boxes. So these, I need to cut all the serial numbers and labels off of, and this is the burn box that I leave sitting in here. And then my press that I don't leave outside anymore, and the table saw and the miter saw and everything right there. Got a bunch of bags right here that I need to put in the laundry room. I've got a bunch of Milwaukee tools over here, my welder and my welding cart or cabinet, and then bench grinder, one of my Milwaukee switch tanks, which I was sent 2 more switch tanks from International Tool, and I asked them why did you send me 2 more? All I wanted was 2 stems. So when I got both, I picked up 2 of these for $407 instead of the $600 and something dollars, $680 with tax. During International Tools deals 6 months ago, finally got them in the mail literally like 2-3 weeks ago. So I recently got them. So and it wasn't, yeah, I got them on June 21st. It's now July 4th. And what happened with that is the boxes were severely damaged, and those little sprayer metal wands are completely bent on the bottom. And I asked just for the wand, the metal rods that thread into the handle, and I sent photos. The system accidentally charged me $592.33 for that. They apologized. The system wasn't supposed to charge you. I wasn't told, by the way. I emailed them, sent them the photos. You know, spoke to Stephanie in an email, sent her the photos because she asked for photos. I sent them. Never heard back. A week went by. Randomly, I got charged $592.33 and called them pissed off about it. And she had to call somebody else and get off the phone with me to find out what was going on. It was supposedly, that when I spoke to her on the phone the first time, when I complained about why I was charged, oh, that was supposed to be a return. You weren't supposed to be charged. We were giving you a refund on the problem. The fact that you got damaged goods from us. And I'm like, why is it way more than what I paid? And then she got a hold of some dude, and what happened is the International Tool filed a claim when I sent Stephanie the information. They filed a claim with UPS for the damage to the tools that I purchased. And you guys will see the photos. The boxes were not completely demolished. They weren't horrible. There was just some damage on the corners where the stems were, and the stems are partially warped and bent. And I asked if I can get a couple more stems, and when she called me back, she's like, oh, well, there's no possible way for us to send you the stems only. We sold it to you in a kit. I said, why? I can buy the stems from Home Depot. They're like $25. Why can't you just give me the 2 items that were damaged that are $25? She's like, well, we can't do that. We're sending you 2 new units. You weren't supposed to be charged. I'm so sorry. We have already dealt with the charge. It should flake off in a few days. Well, mind you, they did that last Friday. So literally July 1st is when I got charged, which was a couple days ago. So I still haven't got my money back yet, but there is a silver lining. I'm going to end up with 4 Milwaukee switch tanks, complete units with the actual power base and a pesticide bottle and sprayer for $407. We're talking about, 2 of them is $600 plus. So, $645, $50 with tax times 4. You're looking at $1,300 worth of Milwaukee switch tanks that I paid $407 for. They could have just sent me the stems, and it would not have been $1,300 that they lost out on, or $600 something they lost out on, which they didn't technically lose out because UPS now has to pay for the damaged goods, so they got their money back from my original purchase. So I ended up with an extra 2 switch tanks. I don't know if I'm going to sell them. I don't know if I'm going to keep them. Who knows? I'll probably just leave them in their boxes for fucking, excuse my language, probably for 10 years, or whatever. I don't know. But back to the video. I really love these cases, and I did pick up a few items, and that's what's in this bag. Previous couple videos, I don't know if it might have been a couple videos ago, I picked up some Milwaukee shirts, as well as a lime green version of this shirt. I picked up a large and an extra large, and this is the Moisture Wicking UV Sun Protectant Odor Control shirts. These are the performance shirts. I picked two up in gray, one that is extra large, one that is large. They're nice shirts. I really like the green one. I use the green one for when I'm on the side of the highway, when I'm working on vehicles, or even when I'm just weed eating on the side of a road, you know, around my house, because I will go down 4 or 5 roads around my neighborhood, and I will just clean the streets up just to be nice. The other thing I picked up is the black Milwaukee hat for 19 bucks. I believe this is also a sticker. That's what it looks like to me, is a sticker. But I have the gray one, I have the black one. They're very nice hats. They're flex fit hats, kind of like my Capri hat. Yep, the Capri hat is the same. This hat is really dirty. So here's the Milwaukee. It says flex fit. Same sticker on the Capri hat. You can tell the Capri hat is very well worn. Lots of sweat stains. It's dusty. I haven't worn it in several months. But same style, flex fit, same band. Just has the cardboard in it at the moment. (63% polyester, 34% cotton, 3% spandex, according to this one, which is the Capri hat. The Capri hat's dirty. I need to wash it. I haven't worn it in a while. This one says made in Bangladesh, Yapong. This one also says this one says made in Vietnam, but it also says Yapong. They're nice hats. I do like flex fits. They're very comfortable. This one has a sticker on it though. It says fitted hat by Milwaukee. So there's a little extra touch. Milwaukee paid to have this little cotton, 63% polyester, 34% cotton, 3% spandex. So it's the same exact material as this one, but instead of it being on this little tag near the brim, on the flex, sewn into the flex portion right there, on the Capri hat, it's literally on the main label in the back. That's the only difference. I have the gray one also. Same hat, just gray. I really like the gray. The gray will go good with these shirts. Black will go good with my black shirts. So the black will go good with this black Ryobi shirt. But that's all I picked up. So these boxes, let me turn them around. Kind of lay them flat so you guys can see them. Move the shirts out the way and the hats. So these have been sitting on the shelf for a little bit. So you pull the sides out like that. Pull the side out on both sides like that. And then these lift off. And then if you lock these, now they're one unit. And I'm actually pushing against the curtain because I don't want to hit the camera. Pop those out. Now they separate. You can attach something to the top of the top one as well. Pull this little keeper out, so you can actually lock to the top box as well. So I picked these up for specific uses. So the Cantilever Box, this is what's in the bottom of the cantilever boxes. So if you guys open a cantilever box, let me pull this forward. The cantilever box opens, it physically slides back. This would be the bottom of a cantilever box, where it's got two large containers. These two large containers right here, and then it's got 2, 4, 6, 8 medium-sized smaller containers. And then the lid, this lid, instead of it being right here, is actually a little higher. It's on the top, and on the top it's got little bitty containers like this deep, which are about half of this container in height. So I like the cantilever boxes. I got 2 under the toolbox. There's 2 over there. There's probably 6 or 7 in the shed. I really like these Husky boxes, especially the cantilever boxes. The 2 that I have under there, one has like 200 pounds in it just by itself. And I've picked it up. I've carried it. On the cantilever boxes, there's an actual handle that folds up instead of right here. But I got plans for these. You know, one's gonna be like all pneumatic and pressure washer adapters, stuff like that. I'm gonna end up putting, like, you know, other things for like pressure washers in here, like seal kits, even stuff, even adapters for hoses, stuff like that. So that's what I'm going to be using one of these for. The other one is just going to be a spare until I find something for it. They're only 20 bucks. They're not really expensive, but I do appreciate you guys stopping by, checking out the video. So this is what I picked up. I appreciate you guys watching. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. Please like, comment, subscribe. Smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. This is just a little lock that they put on these boxes that you just pop into this little gap right here, and it just stops it from locking and staying attached to something. For easier for packaging purposes. I usually keep these just in case they're needed for something, or, you know, you don't really need to keep them. But appreciate you guys stopping by. Thank you to all the people that helped make the channel monetize. The channel is paying for tools and stuff that I'm bringing to the channel now. This I bought because I wanted it. The channel didn't pay for it. All the money that the channel makes goes into the savings account, and when I go to buy something that I think the channel would benefit from, I choose to just transfer it over and pay for it. But you guys have an awesome, happy Independence Day, and I hope you guys have a great 4th of July, you know, aka Independence Day, and be safe. Have fun, but be safe, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace!